Hey, how's everyone doing? This is Jason Hopkins. Just wanted to really quick just do a video. I don't want to take up too much of your time. I know how busy your schedule is. So, you might be watching this video and wondering, how is it, you can generate, all these leads for your business. So if you're watching this video and, you want to know how to, generate leads for your online business. Um, Before I begin, I just want to say, like, if you're not willing and able to learn how this works, you know, don't waste your time watching this video. Okay. One thing that I found, that helped my business, with generating leads and building a list was, learning how to use what's called solo ads. So for those who have no knowledge, what a solo ad is. What it basically is, it's a system where basically you're using someone else's list to build your own list. It's a way really to buy leads and for you to build relationships with those leads. Now, some people, they've asked me, is this legal? Is this legit? Of course it is. It is legal. This is solo ads is it's how solo ad vendors, this is how they make their money. They sell their lists, to people who are trying to, build their lists and build their business and to make a commission. This is a quicker way for you to for anyone to drive traffic, to their capture pages and whatever online niche, that they're involved in. Free marketing sometimes, becomes the most, expensive option and is not really scalable. So, you want to use the free marketing when you don't, when you're running low on capital, you know. But anytime you do have the money, I would suggest you invest in solo ads. For more information on solo ads and, training and how to use solo ads for your business, you want to click that information that I provided in the description box below right now. Once again, my name is Jason Hopkins. I'll talk to you soon, and I look forward to working